is the review of the Star Max FA18 EDF 64 millimeters. Really? This is the replacement that I get? Yeah? Okay. And then you just connect the battery to it. So turn it on. I'm gonna turn on the lights.
Always knew a missing piece, waiting in the dark, like a quiet melody. And if I listen hard, I can hear the sound rising from the ground. Every moment until now, I was dying to change from a spark to a flame. I want fire, fire, burns bright. I'm fighting to reach it, but the higher, higher I fly, I'm falling to pieces inside. Even when it's hot, even when it's high, never gonna stop. Fire, fire.
Ooh, what a beautiful day. Oh, it reminds me of that movie. What was the song? You love that loving feeling. What? No, no. Eject, eject, eject! Hi guys, welcome back to Interracial Reviews. This is the review of the Star Max FA18 EDF 64 millimeters. It's a 4-channel plane. It's pretty agile, so you can do barrels and you can pitch up and down. It's pretty fast, pretty awesome. I think that was a successful flight. We landed, we had fun. It was fast and agile. I love this plane. Alright guys, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, for a chance to win one of these 4 prizes in our giveaway once we reach 100 subscribers. That's about it guys. If you guys like this video, please, it means the world to us for you guys to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. See you. Yeah? Okay. And then you just connect the battery to it. So turn it on. I'm gonna turn on the lights.